Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be venturing into the realm of millimeter microwave presence sensors. This is not to be confused with the more traditional PIR motion sensors. This innovative device is designed to detect human presence consistently with super accuracy at distance, adding a new level of convenience and security to your home. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Sonoff Presence Sensor in detail, exploring its features and understanding how it can enhance your life. We'll guide you through the complete setup process in Home Assistant, integrating it through Zigbee to MQTT. So whether you're a seasoned smart home enthusiast or just getting started, this video is for you, as we'll cover from unboxing through setup and installation, through to the utilization of this amazing and elegant presence sensor. So let's dive on in. Inside of the box, you get the presence sensor itself, a 2-meter USB-A to USB-C cable, 2 screws with raw plugs to permanently mount the presence sensor to the wall, 3 wire guides that allow you to route the 2-meter cable against the wall, and a 3M sticker to attach the presence sensor to a surface. Also included is a user manual with 13 different languages. Yes, I said 13 different languages, all written in 2mm high writing. So I hope you have your magnifying glass ready. On the other side of the presence sensor is a USB-C plug that provides power only from the included 2-meter USB-A to USB-C cable. The mounting allows for a 45-degree angle from the vertical in either direction, so a total of 90 degrees total angle of movement, which might seem rather limiting, but this presence sensor can overcome this perceived limitation, and we'll cover this later in the video. The base of the unit has a cup-shaped mounting with integrated strong magnets to hold the presence sensor securely and also allow the base to be held on metal objects. The base can be semi-permanently connected to surfaces with the included 3M sticker pad. In addition, the cover of the underneath of the base can be removed and attached to a wall with the included screws and raw plugs. Then the base reconnected to the base and allow the permanent fixing locations. As of the time of recording this video, the Sonoff SNZB-06P presence sensor, you might need to work on that naming convention, Sonoff, is very new and as such is not yet supported by Home Assistant using ZHA. As such, if you want to configure this presence sensor, then you'll need to be running Zigbee to MQTT, which does support it, although I'm sure this will be supported by ZHA shortly, as this is going to become a very popular presence sensor. If you don't have Zigbee to MQTT installed, then jump across into the video in the pop-up above or in the description below for a 10-minute step-by-step installation of Zigbee to MQTT. It's super simple, can replace ZHA if you prefer, or will run in parallel with ZHA if you have a spare Zigbee coordinator lying around the place. So let's assume that you now have Zigbee to MQTT loaded and are ready to pair your Sonoff presence sensor with Home Assistant. Now just a quick mention, if you've not already joined the community, then please consider doing so. We'll be releasing shortly members only videos, plus other perks. Alternatively, if you'd like to show your appreciation on these videos, then consider buying me a coffee. Links in the description below. This small act allows me to continue to provide these videos to you and help you on your smart home journey. Thanks again for your continued support. We could not do this without you. Now back to the video. Now if you are pairing this with a Sonoff Bridge, an NS Panel Pro, or a ZB Bridge P, then you're going to get a greater level of adjustment of the presence sensor. However, if you are pairing this with Home Assistant, then these are not available to you, well yet. The range of the presence sensor was consistent at 4 meters, which aligns with the high sensitivity adjustment of the device. Although I have read that the default is 3 meters, and if that's the case, then it had exceeded the expectation. The width of the sensitivity is astounding at virtually 180 degrees. I tested this sensor against an Atom PSO1 radar sensor and found that its detection angle was superior, although it did not have the range of the Atom PSO1. The cooldown period for the sensor, which is the time from the last detected motion to the time when the sensor reports clear or no motion, was consistent at around a minute, which is virtually the same as the Atom, and around the same as the Sonoff PIR3 motion sensor that doesn't have the same advantages of radar sensitivity. This type of high sensitivity but average range is ideally suited for a desk environment where you have ample USB power and don't want your lights going off, which they may well do with a PIR sensor, when sitting relatively still watching your favorite Smart Home Australia YouTube video. With the innovative mounting, this allows for many different mounting solutions, and I like the inclusion of the magnetic base, 3M sticker, and even screws and raw plugs. I know that on my Arlo cameras that have a similar magnetic dome mounting, this has been very handy on many occasions. The simplicity of the pairing is another great advantage. When paired through Zigbee to MQTT, this was quick and simple. Now we need the Home Assistant guys to follow suit and implement into ZHA to allow for a seamless total integration. As mentioned, currently only the motion and link quality entities are exposed. The unit can also provide an illuminance reading, but this is currently not available in Home Assistant. I've asked Sonoff why this is the case and when this will be made available. When I get a reply, I'll put it in the comments. Connectivity is provided through Zigbee 3.0, and as this is a powered Zigbee device, it acts as a router and helps to improve your Zigbee mesh network. As such, this was a welcome addition to my home, improving the link quality of devices that are further away from my Sonoff Zigbee coordinator, making these respond quicker and now never drop off the network or become unavailable. The price of the unit is $14.99 American, and you get an additional 10% by using the link in the description and the discount code. For a polished product that provides exactly as advertised, has a rock-solid connectivity, and even improves your network, that comes from a trusted company like Sonoff that provides you with well-engineered solutions, I think this is a steal. For transparency, this unit was sent to me by Sonoff, but the opinions are all my own, and Sonoff did not get to vet the video before it went out. That said, the Sonoff Presence Sensor is a solid presence sensor offering great mounting options, is powered so it improves your Zigbee mesh network, and comes in an attractive design that will blend into your home. Downside, it needs to get ZHA support within Home Assistant. The illuminancy entity should be exposed so that we can use it within automations, and they need to provide a magnifying glass in the package so that you can read the user manual. Apart from that, it's a Smart Home Australia thumbs up. If you liked the video, consider watching the top 10 helpers or top 10 hacks integrations in the description. Until the next one.